We just got done installing a new 66-inch professional series snowplow system by MotoAlliance. Kind of take you guys through a quick spin. The first thing you'll notice is that the flap is a much more durable belt material, 2-ply belt material from last year. There's a hold down bar that keeps those unsightly ripples out of your flap, and then also ensures that your flap doesn't have extra wear on the bolts, doesn't want to tear at all. You'll see that the flag markers are on, real high quality, heavy duty plastic markers. They're flexible down to -50 Fahrenheit. On this particular system, you'll notice that there's a MotoAlliance plow strap, 2-inch nylon material, as well as the new for 2013 Parker hydraulic cylinder system for the turning mechanism. Bolts on pretty simply with three 3/8-inch bolts there, another three 3/8-inch bolts there. It's got 1/2-inch grade 8 bolts that it pivots on. You can see those. Obviously, with the hydraulic turn system, we've taken off the locking mechanism, which would normally go here. That's 5/16 material, and can be used. It's got a kick pedal on it, so that you can, if you've ever got ice buildup, any of that kind of stuff, you can just kick it and allow it to pop up, move your blade back and forth. All the different components here are all bolt-on. There's weld nuts all throughout this plate, 15 weld nuts. So installation, there's none of this flipping the push tube front back. You just zip with a drill or a ratchet, and it's incredibly quick install. Also new for this year, the swivel plate assembly is, instead of several welded pieces, it's a single piece roll 3/8-inch steel that gets obviously bolted on. And you'll notice also that the kind of front support of the swivel plate is all one piece of 1/4-inch thick steel versus last year's model, which was a couple thinner gauge formed up pieces of material. You notice the sidewalls of the push tubes are now all 1/4-inch steel welded on continuously, virtually continuously along this whole edge here, and actually end up being connected and end up being the actual attachment points for the quick release pins. Last year there's just a couple welded on tabs at the end that were subject to wear and tear. Alright, so we'll see the blade run back and forth now. It's pretty quick compared to last year. It's about 5-6 seconds side to side. The hydraulic cylinder does come sealed from the factory. There's no repairs or no maintenance, no adding fluid, maintaining the reservoir. Virtually nothing to it. I mean, it's pretty quick. It's also backwards compatible with the locking mechanism. So you unbolt your 2 1/2-inch bolts there, pull off the cylinder. There's a quick release on the cable that comes off the cylinder, and you take your locking mechanism pin, bolt that in, 1 bolt there. There's a spring that keeps it down, and away you go. So you can raise, lower plow system with ease, turn it side to side, all by MotoAlliance.